Happy Lunar New Year, everyone! To celebrate the 2026 Year of the Horse, we are getting a little creative today. "2026 is the Year of the Horse, which is all about energy, confidence, and moving forward with strength. Horses symbolize freedom, passion, and determination. So it's a great year to chase goals and try something new. And with that in mind, today we are doing something fun and festive. We will be creating two different horses using the Magic Snake puzzle. For those who are new, the Magic Snake is a transformable puzzle that is made up of triangular prisms connected together, and each section can rotate 360 degrees. Allowing you to form all kinds of shapes. The one that I'm using today has 24 triangular prisms, which is perfect for making detailed animal designs like these horses that we will be making today. Before we start, I've created simple algorithms for you to follow along step by step. Here's how it works. Every move is represented by a number, and it may come with an alphabet T after the number. The numbers tells you how many triangular prisms to move forward before making the next turn. So, for example, you see a 3, you move 3 triangular prisms forward, then make a turn. If you see a T after a number, that means you turn the triangular prisms twice, or 180 degrees. Don't worry, just take it slow and follow along. Alright, if you are ready, let's get started. The first model we are making is a chess horse. Here's the algorithm. Take your time with this one and pause the video if you need to. Alright, let's start. 1T, 2T, 1T, 2T, 1, 2T, 1T, 2T, 1T, 2, 1T, 2T, 1T, 3T, 'So what do you think? Does it resemble the knight chess piece? Next up, we are creating a majestic standing horse. Here's the algorithm for this model. 1T, 6T, 1T, 2T, 3T, T. One T. 3T. 4T. 'This one really captures the strength and elegance of the horse. Perfect for the year of the horse. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves puzzles or magic snake creations. Enjoy the Lunar Chinese New Year celebrations, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.